and today's virtual tour is of the project called 33 Central Avenue by Garvey Group. Now this project is located hardly 10 minutes from the Bombay-Bangalore Expressway, and it is at a very premium location. The total project is going to be in a land parcel of 2.5 acres, which will have 2 towers, which will have various configurations of 2 and 3 BHK apartments. The 2 BHK starts from 752 square feet onwards, and the price range begins from 85.5 lakh onwards. And the 3 BHK is of 1094 square feet, and the price range begins from 1.28 crore onwards. I'm going to tell you all the details inside the sample flat. Let's go and take a look at it. So this is the 1094 square feet 3 BHK apartment. As you can already see that there is a digital door lock over here that can be operated with your fingerprint, with a digital key and also a physical key. And this is the aisle area towards the entry of the house. Right over here is the living area and the dining area, which is in an L shaped over here. And the living area also comes with an attached balcony. Right over here is your balcony, which is covered from 3 sides. The roof is of a wooden finished, the flooring is also of wooden finished ceramics, and there is a toughened glass railing which comes with a stainless steel frame as well. And then once we come back into the living and the dining, over here is your kitchen. Now the kitchen is a very spacious one. Usually when there are opposite placed granite slabs, this area is very less. It is usually 2 feet or less. This one is more than 3.5, in fact more than 3.5 feet over here. This is your workstation that comes with these electronic points, and this will be your gas table that also ends at a utility sink. Now this is your dry utility area, which comes with yet another sink right over here for your utensils, and there is also a provision for your washing machines, the tap and the electronic switch. They've also provided a pretty big window in the dry utility area so that there is good ventilation and ample lighting in the kitchen all the time. Let's come back from the kitchen to the living, dining and to the bedrooms. Right next to your dining area over here is the first bedroom, that is the kids' bedroom. Now the kids' bedroom over here comes with this really big window. When I say really big window, it is of an approximately 10 feet height. It comes with these sliding doors that open and also a safety grille that they have provided outside. This part is a fixed toughened glass, but this can be opened, and it also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net right over here. Now let me show you the common areas. That is the common bathroom that has been given over here. So this was your dining area. इसी के बाजू में यहाँ पर आ जाता है आपका वॉश बेसिन, और उसी के बाजू में आ जाएगा आपका कॉमन वॉशरूम भी, जिसमें आपको फ्लोरिंग पे मिल जाएगी एंटी स्किड टाइल्स, एक टाइल ड्रॉप फॉर सेपरेटिंग वेट एंड ड्राई एरियाज, अ ग्लास शावर कर्टन पार्टीशन एंड ऑल्सो द CP sanitary fittings as a part of the standard flat furnishings. And right next to it is the guest bedroom. Now the guest bedroom again comes with the similar big window that we saw in the previous bedroom. If you can see, it comes with your safety grille outside, and half of the window is a sliding window, and this is your safety grille, a pre-fitted mosquito net and a toughened glass over here. Now because this is the guest bedroom, it had to have an attached toilet and washroom as well. Let's take a look at the attached toilet and wash. This is your attached toilet and washroom, which comes with anti-skid tiles, a tile drop and also a glass shower partition and the CP sanitary fittings as a part of the standard flat furnishings. Now let me show you the master bedroom. Right next to this one is the master bedroom. While you come out, also notice that the doors have been given this rubber strip because this is a very windy area and we do not want your doors or the fixtures to get spoiled easily. Here I have walked into the master bedroom. Before I show you the complete room, let's take a look at the attached toilet and wash. Now this one also comes with anti-skid tiles on the flooring, a tile drop and also a glass shower partition. Now this is the master bedroom, so therefore it had to have these 2 windows over here. Now, this is one window which is a sliding window, comes with a mosquito net, half of it is fixed, and along with that over here is another window which is of a similar pattern. Half of it is a sliding window over here and this fixture. अब इतनी सारी खिड़कियाँ, एक दरवाजा, ये सब क्यों दिया हुआ है? For the perfect amount of ventilation, for amazing lighting, and ये ventilation और lighting आ कहाँ से रही है? ये आ रही है इस balcony से. This over here is your balcony or your standing deck area, which comes with these wooden finished flooring and also this stainless steel frame which holds your toughened glass railing as well. And now in case you are wondering कि आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट पर आना है और बुकिंग करनी है, क्योंकि इसका लोकेशन अमेजिंग है, इसका घर सैंपल फ्लैट अमेजिंग है, इनके कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस अमेजिंग है, अमेनिटीज हैं, सब कुछ है, पर बुकिंग कैसे करेंगे अभी बताती हूँ. स्टे विद मी. Now that you know everything about this particular place, I'm sure you want to know कि booking कैसे करनी है, क्या करना है exactly. उससे पहले let me tell you a little about Property Cloud. Well, as I told you earlier that this is a PropTech service जहाँ पे हम करवाते हैं आपके लिए virtual site tours. उसी के साथ साथ Property Cloud connects you directly with the developer, thereby not only giving you the bottommost price but also a completely zero brokerage policy because there are no middlemen involved. Along with that, we also help you with doing physical site visits and that too with an absolutely free pickup and drop service. So basically आपको करना ये है कि आप देखिए यहाँ पर आपके favorite projects, उसमें से आप कीजिए कुछ projects shortlist जिसके basis पर हम आपको लेकर जाएंगे to go and see those projects in a cab, that too absolutely free pickup and drop service. After that, once you have finalized the property and you want to go ahead with the booking, all you need to do is just contact our salesperson once again and then we will give you the best prices in the market, the best spot payment options and the best discounts that you can ever get. Now इस सब के लिए आपको क्या करना है exactly बता रही हूँ. नीचे captions में दिया हुआ है एक link जिस पे आपको करना है click, जिसके basis पे you will get in touch with us and we will guide you into buying your dream project with amazing ease and also hassle-free, brokerage-free. Well, it's not just that we are present only in Pune. Property Cloud is present across the globe and also in multiple cities in India also. तो पहले तो globe की बात कर ले. We are present in UAE, Canada, Singapore, USA and many other countries. And India में तो we are present in all top-notch cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Nagpur, Kolkata and so many more. तो अगर आपको खरीदना है आपका घर, आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ करना है नीचे कैप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक और उसी के साथ साथ डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल ताकि मेरे यानी एकता कपूर के साथ आप देख सकें आपके ड्रीम होम्स राइट एट द कंफर्ट ऑफ योर हाउस. थैंक यू.